So I put in a new head gasket. Well, actually I did a whole bunch of stuff, but the head gasket failed. So now I gotta check for warpage. I thought I did. See if the heads are warped, see if the block is warped. But I had low compression on this one, so I had, what's goofy is I had 90 on this one and 145 on this one. And I don't understand why this one would have 145, but I don't know, maybe this acted like a valve or something. But he's toast. He did not work out. That gasket did not work out. You can see where it went through. You can see where it starts. I don't know. Is this a start of going through too? Could be. But there's definitely an issue with that. So, my rebuild or re-put together did not work out too good. So let's try it again, I guess. All right.